enter your roster, start by going to MaxPreps.com and clicking Sign in the upper right corner. You'll need to put in your email address and your password and click Sign in. And once you are signed in, you'll see a user icon in the upper right corner instead of the word Sign in. Go ahead and click that icon and you'll see the team you have access to there. So you can click on that and this will drop you into your coach admin where you'll have the access to manage everything about your team, your schedule, score, results, all of that here, as well as adding other coaches. So as this demo covers the roster, you'll see there's an option in the main menu as well as under the team checklist that you can click on. And once you're on the roster page, you can click Quick Add to go ahead and add several athletes to your roster at one time. So if we want to add somebody, you're required to enter their first name, last name, as well as their grade. And you can go ahead and click Save. And this allows you to add a bunch of athletes at once on this page. Once they're all added, go back to your roster and they show up here. If you need to edit their information, you can click the pencil icon next to their name, click Edit Athlete, and then change anything that you need to, or delete them here on this screen. Or if you go back, you can delete several athletes at once by clicking next to their name and then clicking the delete option. So that's the first option by using Quick Add to add everyone manually. A second option is to copy last year's roster. So you would just go ahead and click this Copy from Last Season button. It will ask you if you want to import everyone, and everyone will advance a year. Seniors will not be included. So you can go ahead and click Import, and everyone will show up on the roster. And lastly, you can also upload a CSV or Excel file by clicking these three dots and then click Upload. And this will take you to a screen where you can see all the required column headers. So whether or not you use these, you must include all of them in your Excel file. And so you don't have to recreate the template. You can just download this file and open it up. Once you've downloaded the file, you can open it up and you'll see all the required columns there. So you can go ahead and start adding in the required fields of a first name, a last name, and then the class year, and those are the required fields. After you've entered your information, you can go ahead and just save the file. Once you've typed in everyone, you'll return to the page that you were just on, and you'll click Browse to find that file, and click Open, and then you'll go ahead and click Import Roster, and this will spin for a minute, especially if you have a lot of athletes, and will take you right back to the roster page with everyone who was on that file. So those are your three ways to enter a roster on MaxPreps: by using the add buttons, copying from last year, which will only be there if you don't have anyone on the team yet, or uploading an Excel file.